video, I'm going to be trying out a new lace glue. Make sure you watch until the very end of this video because there will be a fabulous giveaway with 10 winners. Okay, you guys know I've been having a little bit of an issue with glues, okay? So I'm always open and always willing to try new glues that I think will fit me and you guys as well. So today we are trying the Chic Bond Invisible Hold Lace Wig Glue. So I guess this one is kind of new from the brand. It is from Salon Pro, and I have some things to say about this, okay? So go ahead and watch the video of how I used the glue, how I applied it, and then towards the end of the video we'll meet back and I'll give you a full review of the two glues and the lace wig bond remover. Alright guys, as I mentioned, there were two glues, but I'm going to use the Premium Invisible Hold. It's supposed to be like the most strongest one. It is the ultimate hold. It works, it's water resistant, and works perfect for vacations in my opinion. To get started, I'm just going to go ahead and clean my skin. Now, if you can see, I didn't put my makeup up to my hairline. I kind of left that area a little bit clean just so that the glue can go on seamlessly. And then I did use water and a paper towel to just clean the area. I didn't use alcohol. It's just way too harsh for my skin, so water does the job. Next, brush back your hair and any loose strands that may be free. We're going to be using this lace frontal wig to glue down. It is from OMG Her Hair, and this is how it looks. So to get started, make sure you roll your wig back. And instead of putting one coat, we're going to put two coats. Now, this product tells you that you only be using one coat, but I did try one coat and I felt like it wasn't enough hold for me, so I am going to go ahead and use two so I can give it a real full review. And for me, I just think it sticks a little bit longer. Now, this product is slightly runny, which you will see me say towards the end, but I think it's a good thing. I think it's actually a good thing because I hate when glue is just so sticky and disgusting, and you know, and this one kind of feels very airy and it's a lightweight product, which I'm all for, okay? So for step 3, we are going to just place the glue on our forehead and we're going to smother it out. Now, I am using a pointy brush, but you can go ahead and use a pointy comb and just smear it out going backwards. If you have any excess, you can wipe it off on a paper towel or wherever you see free to wipe off at. So during this time, you want to make it dry a little bit. You want it to be clear. If the glue is white, do not apply the wig onto your head or do not apply a second layer. So you can see the right side is kind of clearing a little bit and the left side is taking a little bit of a while because we just finished doing that section last. You want it to look like this. This is a thumbs up. This side, wait a little bit longer. It's still kind of white. Now, we're going to go ahead and put the second layer on. So kind of do the same exact motions. You can do dots or you can just use the tip of the bottle and just kind of like, you know, put it on your head. So you can see it's a little bit watery. That's what I was talking about. But just make sure you're not squeezing the bottle as hard. Clearly, I'm heavy-handed, so I was squeezing for dear life. But don't squeeze hard. It comes right out easily. I know. See, I'm like, it was just too much. But just monitor how you're scraping it. I'm going to just say that. So you can see it's starting to get very sticky. Now this thing is very sticky, okay? Very sticky. Now you want to pull the wig up. Now, one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to put it down and pull it up. Pull it down and pull it up. Once it sticks and you pull it up, it will kind of start to turn a little bit white. And I've noticed that with other glues or just adhesives in general. So make sure you don't pull up and pick it up and put it down. You can see it's still kind of shiny. Now, I didn't place the wig directly on top of the glue all the way around because I do feel like it was still kind of close to my eyebrow and I don't like that look. So I was like, okay, whatever we need to fix, we can fix with their remover that I was sent. Use a comb and you want to go ahead and just press it into your skin. Press the glue and the lace kind of in your skin. Don't be so rough. Be gentle, okay? You still matter. Foreheads matter. And just make sure it's kind of drying into the skin. If you have any excess lace, go ahead and cut that off. Usually I do this beforehand, but a girl forgot, okay? Next, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair down. And I did this because, again, on the back of the bottle, it says to do this. And I also do this as well. It kind of like sets the glue, if you know what I mean. Like it kind of tells the glue, you're going to stay here. You're going to stay here for as long as I want you to stay here for. And it kind of just gives it more extreme hold and more pushing into the skin. Go ahead and cut your lace off and trim it up, make it look nice. Now we're going to go straight into styling. And this is pretty much the last step as for the unit. After that, we're just going to go straight into cleaning it up using the remover for any shiny areas that you see that are left there. Now, as sticky as this glue is, like I told you, it doesn't leave any residue behind. And I do like that feeling. And when I say that, I mean sometimes when you do this, when you add glue, it just feels sticky. I feel like with this glue, it's a little more forgiving. Whatever you put down, you can take up within the same moment without having to worry. Now, this part of the wig was just too straight for my liking. It was driving me nuts, okay? So I went ahead and used their lace glue remover. This is how it looks. And it's conditioned and it comes with vitamin E and argan oil. So I went ahead and used that for the front of my hairline. So you can still see the glue a little bit on the forehead. This is what I was talking about. I actually like this product, okay? The smell we'll talk about towards the end, okay? It's not a bad smell though, but we'll talk about it towards the end. It is very oily, so I did go ahead and alternate between the Q-tip and my finger. And then honestly, I kid you not, it was gone. It went away. Now, I already used the other glue like a couple of days ago, and to get the glue off all in one shot, I did use this product. And I'm not gonna lie, it did work really well. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and talk about the glue. So I used the Premium Hold Glue. Now they do have two different glues that I was both sent. So I was sent the brown, call it the brown glue, which is the extreme. And then I have the black glue, which is the premium. Because I used this one in the video, I'm going to talk about this glue first. So this one kind of promises that it will hold under excessive conditions. It's rich in vitamin E and aloe vera. It's waterproof, that's important. It's temperature resistant, and all you need is one layer. Now, this one is an extreme hold. Now, you guys did see in the video I used 2 layers only because, I'll tell you that a little bit later why I did that. But I used 2 layers for this glue. I do feel like it has a nice hold onto my wig, like just pulling it up and everything. The next glue that I was sent the extreme. Now this one, you would think that I would use this one first because of what it promises, and it kind of describes me, pretty much. So it says it's specifically for oily skin, and if you have an oily scalp, I have oily skin, oh my god. And then it says for sensitive skin and a sensitive scalp. That's me. So I did use this one first, but I feel like the hold wasn't extreme. That's just my opinion. So, and I only used 1 coat. I feel like when I did use 2 coats, it did hold. It's a little bit more, probably more of a, it's not probably as harsh as this one, I'm gonna assume. Now for this one, I went ahead and I added 2 layers only because since I already had tried this one first and it didn't work 1 layer, I needed 2 layers for this. I just went ahead and applied the same rules for this one as well and did 2 layers. But this one is an extreme hold, I'm not gonna even lie, because it's sitting. This wig is sitting on my head, okay? It's definitely there. Now, what I like about both products now is they kind of have a runny consistency. Most lace glues are a little bit thicker. They're a little bit more of a cakier texture. And I like this one because it's a little bit runny. Now, that could be a pro and a con, only because you know, when you hear the word runny, you tend to think like ill, but I feel like because it's not so thick of a gluey texture, it kind of feels a little bit more breathable and you kind of don't feel the lace glue on your head. Now, when I usually wear lace glue, I feel like I can feel it. My wig feels like it's really stuck down and stapled to my head and it just feels so uncomfortable. So I like this one because it still feels like I don't really got glue there. That for me is a pro. I'm all about feeling comfortable while I wear my wig, and I feel like this one, these glues kind of give you that. So, pro and a con, I am doing a giveaway. Okay, guys, I will have all the information down below for you, and it will also be on my Instagram. So if you are interested in going in this giveaway and kind of participating, make sure you go to the description box where you will see the rules and stuff. So also what I used in this video is I also used the Lace Wig Bond conditioning remover, and it's supposed to gently remove lace glue. Okay, so I like this because sometimes first of all, alcohol is harsh and it breaks your hair. I'm gonna let you guys know that right now. You guys probably already know that it's a very harsh product. Duh, it's alcohol. Specifically made to take off glue, okay? So it might not be as harsh. And it also comes with argan oil and it's infused with vitamin E. Now with this, I did test this out also the other day, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little impressed because even with alcohol, lace glue does not come off. Now with this one, it kind of smells like nail polish remover, but then it's very oily. So you kind of just apply it to the hairline and let it sit, and it's gonna do the job. That's exactly what I did 3 days ago, and I'm not gonna lie, it comes off. Even when you guys just see me do the Q-tip trick right here to get rid of some of the glue, it comes off. So I'm definitely in love with all 3 of these products. Again, guys, everything for these three products, the 2 glues and the conditioning remover, will be down below. Also, this hair is from OMG Her Hair. Really love this color, and it came brown already, in case you guys were wondering. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are you still for lace glue? Let me know. I'm curious to know. See you guys.